ChatGPT is a chatbot built on a large language model called GPT, also known as Generative Pre-trained Transformer. ChatGPT works by using AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning. This means that the program can learn and improve over time by analyzing the data it receives from interactions with humans. As more people use this chatbot and provide feedback, the chatbot can become better at understanding and responding to human language. There are many different ways that ChatGPT could be used. For example, it can be used to help you learn new programming languages. So if you're looking to become a programmer, you can actually use ChatGPT to learn. Or it can even help you if you're a student, for example, a medical student or law student, in terms of compiling text and giving you concise information. It could also be used as a virtual assistant, just like any other personal assistant that can help you with tasks such as scheduling appointments or finding specific information online. In order to use ChatGPT, you need to understand how to prompt it correctly, and the skill of prompting it is called prompt engineering. Now, prompt engineering is the process of writing specific requests or questions that you can use and input into this AI language model like ChatGPT. And by using carefully crafted prompts, you can instruct the AI to generate information that is relevant and useful to your needs. Now, this is important because AI models can produce a lot of misinformation, and sometimes this is not helpful, and you would want to get the most accurate information that you can, and this is done by using prompts the right way. Now, prompt engineering, is like giving an AI model a clear set of instructions that would help it produce better results, and this can be useful to you in so many ways. So if you're trying to write out some code, you need to be able to prompt ChatGPT very effectively to give you at least an almost accurate data, or even for content creation or copywriting, etc. To excel in prompt engineering, there are a few key skills that are important to have. The first is language skill, because as a prompt engineer, you need to have a strong grasp of the language that you are working with, whether it's English, French, or any other language that you speak. But you should be able to write grammatically correct and fluent prompts that should sound natural and native to any speaker. Another skill to have is creativity. Now, as a prompt engineer, you have to be creative and able to come up with prompts that are specific and unique. You don't need anything vague. You need to think outside of the box and be able to write prompts that are tailored to the context of what it is that you're asking. And finally, you need to have some technical skills. Even though prompt engineering does not require very in-depth technical skills like the basis of programming languages, Java, Python, etc., but having some fundamental understanding about it can be very helpful, because it would help you to know exactly what you are looking to search for, and it's going to give you a very strong eye to details. As a prompt engineer, you don't have to leave your current career, but rather supplement it, because prompt engineering job offer a couple of benefits, such as its high demand, because so many businesses right now have a demand for conversational AI and chatbot prompt engineers. This means that you will be able to switch between different types of jobs and tasks and deliver value to these business owners. Also, because of its new and upcoming trend, there's potential for career growth in this field, because so many people will be looking for professionals that know how to prompt the tools that they might have subscribed for efficiently. Plus, it also gives you the opportunity to be creative, so things you may not have thought about before, you're able to use some of these tools to give you ideas in helping your work become more efficient. As with any career, there are some potential challenges and setbacks when trying to supplement prompt engineering into your skill set, right? And the major one is you have to constantly keep learning, because it's a new field and it will require some level of digital literacy in natural language processing or machine learning or AI, because as technology continues to advance, you have to be committed to constantly learn and stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the field. Despite this, prompt engineering can be an exciting and rewarding career path for both those who are looking to get into the field of tech. So this can be an introduction. By learning about prompt engineering, you can prompt tools like ChatGPT that can educate you and show you around the ropes. Or those who are already been in the field, by being a very excellent prompt engineer, you can take your technical experience and even boost it to be much more. but at the end of the day, it requires you to have some skill and passion for this field, and you'll be successful at it. Thank you so much for listening to the end of the episode. You can check the description for resources that you find valuable. And if you want to stay on top of information like this, hit the sub if you're on YouTube, or follow if you're on Spotify and Apple Podcast. And if you're open to a conversation about the topic, you can let me know what you think on Twitter at William Obiana or in the comments.